Hi, I'm Alex and this is Ginger Head & Co, my sewing vlog. I lost almost a stone, or 6 kilos, or around 12 pounds during the lockdown. I got back to normal now, to my normal size, because my life is getting back to normal. And I know that I'm not the only one. We gain or lose weight, and it's not a big deal in itself. But I thought it would be a good idea to have a look at some patterns that we can make when we are in between sizes. I mean, when we are a temporary size for any reason. Pregnancy, menopause, diet, exercise or lack of it, a traumatic experience that changes our eating habits, anything. It's very important for me to say that it's not about any size being good or bad. Women have been for a long time shaped by the concept of one perfect ideal shape or size. The sizes change throughout history, but the idea that one was perfect has not. That is precisely what I strongly disagree with. A healthy body is a perfect body. As someone who didn't win a genetic lottery, I also know that even if you don't have a perfectly healthy body, you can still be perfectly happy and love what you've got. I picked some patterns that can fit us when we are a size up or down, and will also look great when we are back to our normal size. They are my personal choice, and I thought about finding something for every body type, because we gain or lose weight in a different way, for various sewing abilities, and hopefully for various tastes. There are also patterns I have seen on people of various shapes and sizes, and they all looked great. Of course, there are many more patterns that would look great for our transitional stage. Feel free to tell me about your favorites in the comments. Also, because I didn't want to make a very long video, I focused on jumpsuits in this one and dresses in the next video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more. Let's start with Amy Jumpsuit by Closet Core Patterns, because I think it would suit most bodies. And it's extremely popular and it's very easy to make. And I prefer it with the belt, but it can also be worn without the belt. Closet Core Patterns have brilliant instructions, so you can't really go wrong. It comes in sizes 0 to 20, so that's American sizes. I think it's easy fitting. You can make it in different lengths, which is always a plus. A V neckline, so it's liked by many people. For me, that would be too much. I would have to make it shallower, but it's an easy hack to do on your own. Wide legs, so plenty to cover, but it looks really kind of breezy and floaty and feminine. It's got a zip at the side. I like zips that are put in the side of the garment, but well, you can easily move it to the back if you prefer. It would make it easier to get in and out of the jumpsuit. It can be made in wovens, so drapey wovens. I think they recommend rayon, challis, tencel, so any sort of viscose rayon type of thing. It could look very nice in linen as well. Double gauze. Just have a look at the photos. I think it's very playful, very happy. And it's easy to make. You can put pockets in, of course. And the jumpsuit probably needs pockets. Brilliant for summer. It's got bust darts, which is a great thing because it can fit various sizes of busts, various cups. Okay, let's go to Journey Jumpsuit by Friday Pattern Company, and it was recommended to me. I'm not sure if I like it because, well, this is not really something that is my type of a thing, but it's apparently really easy to make. The main interest is this tie at the back, so that's quite unusual. As they say, it's a slight V. Slight V, yeah. Looks very nice here. It's got pockets that are patch pockets. It's very easy to make. It's meant to be made in knit fabrics, so stretchy fabric will stretch whether there is a bit more or less of you. It will sort of grow with you, which is brilliant. I would add a belt here again, because I think if you make it in knits and if you put your hands or something else in the pockets, it will stretch, so you will end up having your waistline here. That's my personal opinion. You can make shorts, you can make them the trouser part longer. And again, yeah, it is very summery. and it will definitely accommodate for any change in sizes. Well, 1 or 2 sizes perhaps. And apparently it's a quick make and it's super comfortable. I've never made it. Then the really popular one. So Burnside bibs, and I know why it's popular. The instructions from Sew House 7 are brilliant. So you've got a project that you are going to start and finish following the instructions. It looks comfortable, it sort of feels comfortable. They do look more feminine, a bit more modern. You've got this ties at the back, well, the straps at the back. It's very casual. I think that's made in linen and it looks brilliant. A lot of pockets. Let's check the sizes. So the sizes are from 00, so bust 31 inches, waist 23 inches and hip 34 inches. They end in size 34, so it's 61.5 inch bust, 57.25 inch waist and hip 65 inches. Well, anyway, let's go back to the Burnside bibs. Let's have another view or another look. Yeah, that's shorter. That's very nice. I like the big pockets. Yeah, looks amazing. And it really doesn't matter if you change your size, if you are 2 or 3 sizes bigger or smaller than your normal size. It will hide everything, cover everything, and you will look casual, you will look unique, you will look modern, kind of urban chic again. Definitely not boring. Nothing is for everyone, obviously. It looks excellent in denim. That's a very sporty, casual look. And in here, I like her hair. Right, that's kind of retro look. Oh, I can't just swipe it. And the front. So I assume she would have bigger boobies. That looks really nice. I like the pinstripe. Yeah, perfect. And again, well, not very difficult to make. Maybe not for complete beginners, but I think with the instructions, so House 7's instructions, a beginner can make it. Looks very comfortable indeed. It would probably also make a great pregnancy outfit. Like super cool, pregnant, well, mummy to be. Brilliant. Okay, then something completely different. Decades of style, and it's beach pajamas. If you've never seen anybody wearing them, look at Shan from Kittenish Behavior's vlog, because she's made them and she looks amazing. And that's probably how I found out about the pattern. I'm pretty sure that I had not seen this pattern before. It looks better on real people. They don't have a lot of photos. There are no standard sizes, but there is the measurement table box. The pattern starts with bust 30, waist 24 and hip 33, so between 6 and 8 UK, I suppose. And then the option, the size range C is 46 for bust, 40 for waist and 49 for hip. Could be better because there aren't that many sizes, but when you look at the line drawings, well, not a lot to see, right? But when you look at the line drawings, you've got quite a lot of room everywhere, so your stomach shouldn't be restricted, shouldn't be squashed anywhere. Your legs shouldn't be poured into the trousers. Everything looks floaty and happy and perfect for the beach. The beach pajamas are perfect for the beach. I like the opening at the back. That would probably mean that if you need to wear a bra, you would need to cover something here, or well, if it doesn't bother you, it doesn't bother you. I know that there are bras that you can wear with garments such as this one, but I haven't got one, so I don't know how they work. It's very unusual. It's kind of retro, but if you don't tell people that it's retro, and if you make it in more modern fabric, they don't have to know it's retro. So there are 2 views, A and B, 9 sizes. And there is an extra boxy online jacket to go with it. How much fabric do we need? 4 yards, so that's 4.5, yeah. 4 meters, that's a lot of meters. That's for both garments, so the jumpsuit and the little jacket. Done. Something that people make as if there was no tomorrow. The Endo Sirocco. And it does look gorgeous on everyone. I've never seen anybody looking, well, not so nice in it. So I think it's a winner. It's probably the garment of 2020, apart from the fact that 2020 doesn't really need any garments. It can go naked because nobody can see us. But you can make shorts. It is a very, very, very easy jumpsuit to make. It suits most figures. Remember that it's for stretchy fabric, so your fabric will need to have stretch or you won't get into your Sirocco. But I think it really suits all the shapes because there is enough room for your hips, for your boobs. You've got darts, and darts in knit work as brilliantly as darts in woven fabric. Believe me, I make them all the time because I like darts. Darts for shorter ladies make you look a bit taller, so you can make a fake dart. Add 1 centimeter of fabric here, and then make a 1 centimeter wide and quite a long dart, and it looks gorgeous. Yep. I'm pretty sure that you've seen somebody, at least one person, who's made Sirocco. And I'm pretty sure that they looked amazing. So, well, you can make the legs tapered or wider, so kind of romper style. The V-neck, again, it helps with putting it on and taking it off. Well, it is supposed to make you look taller, look slimmer. I'm not sure if it makes you look taller and slimmer, but a lot of people look great wearing V-necks. And a lot of people say that they are very flattering. So they probably are. For me, V-necks are quite dangerous because I've got a short torso, so for me, V-necks end somewhere here, which is not a good look. Then, something that I'm not sure if you know because it's not a famous pattern maker, pattern drafter, but I've got a crush on the owner of this company. She's like, if I was into girls, she would be my girlfriend, my wife, my whatever. But yeah, never mind. So Brits, and I love them because they're just rompers. I am quite tempted to make them, even though I don't really wear overalls or jumpsuits. But I think this is a brilliant idea. There is nothing that could be more comfortable than that. Look at the line drawings. So you put them on and you just release your inner child and you are happy again. You are 3 years old again. They're very easy to make, or quite easy to make, and the instructions are great. She's Norwegian, but patterns are available in English. So you can get the pattern in Norwegian, in English, PDF. Thought there were more photos, but I think that's it. I have probably seen more photos on Instagram. Of course, you can make the short version. You can add some extra pockets, some embellishments. You can have a play because it's a simple pattern. So I like the ties. I just like the fact that it releases your inner child. And it's suitable for medium weight to lightweight fabric, both woven and jersey. And I know that there are a lot of blog posts where she hacks her patterns. And of course, you can make them for children as well. Why not? You can make them for all your family. And finally, I did mention this pattern actually, but Kilo dress is now also a jumpsuit. So you can make a jumpsuit that has a tie that regulates how tight or loose you want the garment to be. It's got a back opening, which makes it easy to put the jumpsuit on and take it off. I think it looks pretty cool. I won't make it, but I think it looks pretty cool. You can make it with long sleeves as well, or short sleeves, whatever you want. And it's made for knits, so knits are good because they adapt to our body and they make us feel comfortable. So it's like a more relaxed version of Sirocco, I would say. We'll see, because people will start making them and I will know how real people look in real life.